Hello everyone, this is the last lesson for Spring AI course. We are going to generate image today from the tag, and this will be the last one. So let me walk you through the code. So there's nothing different, same dependencies, right? Same configuration, still using the OpenAI key, and then normal flow image. So I just have one endpoint image, text to image. From text we are generating image in the service. So instead of transcription model, right, we are using image models, and it's just different model to do different stuff. It's nothing new. And then making a call. So I did a little bit of work to save the file. Instead of showing in the Postman, I'm going to generate it, save it as PNG, and then we can look at it. So let me run the application. So the application started at 8080. Let me go to this is from last week. Let me get rid of this one and go to image. Okay, so this is the text I have. You can put your text whatever. A software engineer born in Nepal with a smile facing towards MacBook and folded arms in writing Spring Boot AI application. So let's see what kind of image it creates. So it said image generated at this one. It took a little bit of time. It will take because it needs images a little bit more processing, right? So let's go and see what kind of image it created. So it created image here. Let's try to see it here in the Finder. So I mean, this is pretty good image, right? You can tweak the prompt and maybe do a little bit different stuff, like, so it has folded hand, smiley face, and Spring Boot AI application. It's basically what we said. We can be more precise and then create images as we want, right? So I mean, this is good image. So this is the last lesson. I'll think about, let's see what I want to explore next. If you have anything you want to learn, I can look into that too. Write me in the comments. Bye.